Assalamualaikum. I'm Rima Sultana, English teacher of Daffodils High School. Welcome to my online class. Dear students, how are you? Hope you are all well by the grace of the Almighty Allah. I am also well. Today I am going to discuss changing degree in English grammar, following the steps and methods. Hope you will be benefited from this class because the lesson will be different from traditional methods published in various grammatical and textbooks. So, let's start our class. The comparison of adjective words or adverb words is known as comparison of degree in English grammar. Before changing degree, we have to know how to form comparative and superlative adjectives. Adjectives form their superlative and comparative form in different ways. In general, if the adjective has one syllable, then the letter er or r and st or est is used. Example for tall, taller, tallest. In this adjective has one syllable, and for this I have added er for comparative and est for superlative degree. Similarly, fine, finer, finest. The adjective with two syllables differ. Some add er or est for comparative and superlative form, and some add the words more for comparative and most for superlative degree. For example, happy, happier, happiest, famous, more famous, most famous. Some can do either, like clever, clever, cleverer, cleverest, or more cleverer, most cleverer, more clever, most clever. If the adjective has three or more adjectives, the words more and most are used. An example for attractive, more attractive, most attractive. There are some common adjectives which have regular, comparative and superlative form that you just have to learn. An example for good, better, best, bad, worse, worst, little, less, least, much, more, most. Dear students, there is some point you should remember. In positive degree, the sign of positive degree is as dot dot as or so dot dot as. That means as adverb or adjective as or so adverb or adjective as. The sign of comparative degree is then, and it must be used after adjective. The sign of superlative degree is the, and it is used before adjective. Now we are going to discuss 3 rules on changing degree from one form to another form. Dear students, here I have drawn a chart for a better understanding. Look at the chart. Superlative degree is made with the structure of subject plus verb plus the plus superlative form plus object or extension. And comparative, subject plus verb plus comparative form plus then any other plus object or extension. And in positive degree, no other object or extension plus verb plus as or so plus positive form plus as plus subject. Here it is noted that to keep the meaning same, in positive degree you have to change the position of subject and object. For an example, he is the best boy in the class. In comparative, he is better than any other boy in the class. And in positive, no other boy in the class is as good as he. Here, we have to change the position of subject and object to make the similar meaning. So, the rule in short, positive, no other, comparative, then any other, and superlative will be the. Dear students, similarly in rule 2, if the positive is few or very few, here the subject and verb must be plural. Then the comparative will be then most other, then many other, or then few other, and superlative will be one of the. For example, very few countries are as green as Bangladesh. In comparative, Bangladesh is greener than most other countries, and in superlative, Bangladesh is one of the greenest country. In rule 3, if the superlative is the plus adjective plus of all plus plural noun, comparative will be than all other plus plural noun, and positive will be no other plus singular noun. Example 4, he is the most brilliant of all boys in the class. Comparative, he is more brilliant than all other boys in the class, and positive, no other boy in the class is as brilliant as he. That's all today, dear students. If you find any problem to solve this item, you must contact with me. I will try my best to solve your problem. Students, there is an epidemic of coronavirus all around the world. You must use a mask to protect yourself and sanitize your hand with regular sanitizer after and before work. Be safe, stay at home. Thanks a lot.